Sunanda Pushkar murder probe is widening. The special investigation team will soon question former Union Minister and senior Congress leader Shashi Tharoor. He will be questioned, in fact, within the next 24 hours.
Sir, has notice been issued to Shashi Tharoor?
You see, in the morning, I think the same question was put to me. You see, I said that as far as these issues are concerned, the SIT will be knowing it better. But I can assure you, our objective is that we complete our investigation at the earliest possible. I understand maybe sooner Mr. Tharoor is going to be examined by SIT, and as and when there is anything definite, I will let you know.
So, when would this questioning happen? Either on Tuesday, Wednesday, or even today itself?
You see, he was supposed to come a little late. This is what I learned.
आज भी पूछताछ हो सकती है या कल हो जाएगी उनसे?
आज कल परसों में हो जाएगी शायद.
नोटिस इशू कर चुके हैं आप लोग?
मेरे ख्याल में हाँ, नोटिस इशू हो चुका है और आज कल परसों में जो है ये हो जानी चाहिए.
So, will the questioning take place at his residence or somewhere else? Because the SIT has been.
The SIT will take a call. Wherever they find it convenient, they will be holding. They will do this.
So will this be the first round of questioning, or it will continue because obviously it might stretch a few more days, or do you think this could be?
I'm not. I cannot say anything at this juncture. Maybe it may be only for a few minutes. It can be a longer exercise.
Our reporters are tracking the story on several angles. Let's go across first to Aditya tracking the investigation. Aditya, many questions we understand will be asked. Foremost, of course, on the handwritten statement, 5 theories which were floated. One, that she had fever. Second, of the Alprax tablets. Then of the lupus theory that was floated with the help of some more others. And that, of course, that of the misunderstanding which was later cleared. We also understand the IPL. Some of the IPL questions will be added to the Tharoor questionnaire.
Well, absolutely, Niranjan, that is the latest we are gathering, even as Shashi Tharoor yet again remains evasive to the questions from times now. When we met him at the airport where he was landing up from Bangalore, he is yet again evasive, but it is almost imminent now that Delhi police would be questioning him in the next 24 hours. This questioning might happen at an undisclosed location, as has been the trend with the Delhi police's SIT. But as you mentioned, what will be the questions? The questions would be on the IPL, the question would be on the Meher Tarar angle, the question would also be mainly on what was the statement to the SDM, whether he stands by that statement, and also they will try to grill him on that particular statement about the misunderstanding with Sunanda Pushkar. Were there massive arguments happening because of that particular reason is something that Delhi police really wants to find out. We know that from Thiruvananthapuram to New Delhi, they were in an Air India flight on 15th of January last year, in which they had massive arguments. In fact, they would like to also ask him why there were physical bruises on the body of Sunanda Pushkar. Remember, there were many bruises on the body. There were also bite marks on the body. And also on the right hand index finger, there was a mysterious injection puncture. That's what the autopsy report had confirmed by Dr. Sudhir Gupta of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. But interestingly, Shashi Tharoor in his statement too, the SDM had mentioned about this lupus theory. Now, this lupus theory has been completely debunked by the Kerala Institute of Medical Sciences and also the All India Institute of Medical Sciences.
We tried to, of course, put some questions to Tharoor when he landed in New Delhi this evening. No answers, like it's been over the last few days.
Mr. Tharoor, you have been summoned by the Delhi police. Delhi police has issued a statement, sir. So Delhi police has issued a statement. Will you join the probe? Sir, will you join the probe? So why you've been attacking the media, sir? Will you continue to attack the media in this case? Will you continue to attack the media, sir? Mr. Tharoor, will you continue to attack the media in this case? You have been summoned by the Delhi police. You have no answers clearly. Mr. Tharoor, you have no answers. You have no clear answers, Mr. Tharoor. Why have you been attacking the media? You've been summoned by the Delhi police. Will you join the probe, sir? Well, yet again, Shashi Tharoor dodging all the questions of Times now. He's yet again not answering. He's been summoned by the Delhi Police. Delhi Police issuing a statement in which the Commissioner of Police, B.S. Pasi, this morning said that Shashi Tharoor, a senior Congress leader, has been summoned. In fact, under the CRPC 160, a notice has been issued to him. Tomorrow, perhaps, he will be questioned by the Delhi Police in the death of Sunanda Pushkar. Reporting from Delhi with video journalist Mohan Singh, this is Aditya Raj. Call for Times Now.